Most certainly a very warm welcome to one and all. I'm Akshay Rajesh, your compere for the evening. I, along with Vipanchi Natyalaya, my parents and my grandparents, take great pleasure in inviting you to the Bharatanatyam Arangetram of my sister, Shivangi Rajesh. It seemed just like yesterday that Shivangi was a little toddler running about in a tiny walker. But today, you've all assembled here for her Bharatanatyam Arangetram, which is such an important milestone in the life of a dancer. Vipanchi Natyalaya, the dance school of which Shivangi is a student, is an institution which is dedicated to the training of young artists in the field of dance and music. Founded by the legendary Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. The founder trustee is Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati. This institution has trained more than 450 students in Bharatanatyam and has staged more than 116 dance dramas. Vipanchi Natyaalaya's dance ballets are famous world over and has been performed in countries such as US, UK, Canada, Dubai, South Africa. Now, Shivangi will start her Arangetram recital with the Pushpanjali in Gambhira Nattai set to Adi Talam. Pushpanjali is an invocatory item where the dancer seeks the blessings of the Guru, the audience, and the musicians. She surrenders herself to the divine feet. It is followed by the shloka Mushika Vahana on Lord Ganesha, who is the remover of all obstacles, representing Shivangi Rajesh, performing the Anjali and Pushpanjali.
Tam 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 kidadaga todanga talkuttam dim 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 kidadaga todanga tikuttam tam 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 kidadaga todanga talkuttam dim 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 kidadaga todanga tikuttam tam 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 kidadaga todanga talkuttam dim 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 kidadaga todanga ಕಸ್ತಾ ಸೂತ್ರ
or gives joy. And Nritta item, the Alaripu provides a crisp introduction to the basic grammar of Bharatanatyam. Now before that, an introduction to Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati, Managing Trustee of Vipanchi Natyalaya. A very dynamic lady whose energy is limitless, Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati is a multifaceted personality. She has travelled all over the world and given dance recitals and conducted dance features. She has choreographed in numerous dance dramas for the stage and for television. She has won several honors and awards for her contribution to this art form. It's indeed our privilege that she is a mentor and guide to Shivangi. Now presenting the Alaripu.
Tây Tây dùng đất ta cái đất đất Tây Tây dùng đất ta cái đất đất Tây Tây dùng đất ta cái đất đất có đủ ta thì cái đất đủ ta đến ta cái đất đất Tây ta Tây cái đất đất ta đến ta cái đất đất Tây Tây
That I introduced to you, Shivangi's guru and guide, and also the key architect for this Arangetram, Kalaimamani Priya Jairam, who is the doctor and disciple of Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati. She is not only Shivangi's guru, but also our aunt, married to our maternal uncle, Sri K. Jairam. Priya auntie was introduced to Bharatanatyam at the tender age of 5 under the tutelage of her mother. She assimilated the basis of the famous Pandanallur style and tradition. She is also highly proficient in the Kuchipudi style of dance and has been extensively performing in both India and in abroad with over 1,200 programs to her credit. A graduate in commerce with an MA degree in Bharatanatyam from the University of Madras, Priya auntie is now currently pursuing her doctoral studies in classical dance. She has won several awards and honors such as Natana Bharati, Jadu Bhatt, Natya Mayuri, Natya Bhairavi, Nadana Mamani, and now the NCA Award for Excellence for the Best Dancer of the Year 2009. Now the next item that Shivangi will be performing is the Jatiswaram. The Jatiswaram means rhythmic beats or jatis composed to swaras or musical notes. The item performed is to show the artist's mastery over the Nrita aspect. The hand gestures used in Jatiswaram are purely decorative and do not convey any particular meaning or sentiment. The Jatiswaram chosen is in Raga Malaya Marudam set to Aditha. Now presenting the Jatiswaram. When my parents asked me to do the comparing for this evening, Shivangi was quite worried. Don't worry, Shivangi, I'll only say nice things about you today. Shivangi is a 9th standard student, Vidya Mandir, Mylapore. She's quite a well-liked and popular girl at class and with her teachers. Right from the age of 3, that is LKG onwards, she's been performing on stage. A regular artist in all of her school's dance dramas and ballets. She's also been performing for Vipanchi Natyalaya on several occasions. Bharatanatyam has been a source of great interest and passion for Shivangi, and she's been learning it under her guru since the age of 6. Her Arangetram today is a reality mainly due to the confidence given to her by her guru, her parents and her grandparents, but also mainly due to her confidence and dedication to this art form. Shivangi, we're all very proud of you. Now Shivangi will present the Varnam. The Varnam, as the very word symbolizes, adds color to the dance recital. It's a combination of pure Nrita, that is dance, and Abhinaya, that is expression. The Varnam chosen today showcases the dance aspect of Lord Shiva. The story described in the Varnam is that of the war between the Devas and the Asuras while churning the Milky Ocean. The song portrays how Lord Shiva drank the Alahala poison which erupted from the snake Vasuki, much to the fear and worry of goddess Parvati. In this song, Nilakanta is described as the embodiment of 5 elements. The dance aspect with his consort, goddess Parvati, is described in the Charana. The divine couple is accompanied by the celestial orchestra, consisting of Lord Vishnu on the Mirdangam, Lord Indra on the flute, Lord Brahma wielding the cymbals, Goddess Saraswati playing the veena, and Goddess Lakshmi giving vocal support. The Varnam is in Raga Latangi set to Aditala and a composition of Madurai R. Muralidharam, presenting the Varnam.
கொஞ்சும் சதங்கை திகழும் உன் திருவடி தஞ்சமென்று பணிந்தேன் பரம்பொருளே. 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 கொஞ்சும் சதங்கை திகழும் திருவடி தஞ்சமென்று பணிந்தேன்
Hey!
அமுதெனவே ஊமையவளின் நெஞ்சமுமல்சிட உண்டருள் கோவிந்தா நல்கினை. அமுதெனவே ஊமையவளின் நெஞ்சமுமல்சிட உண்டருள் கோவிந்தா நல்கினை. அமுதெனவே ஊமையவளின் பஞ்சபூத படிவாகமாவேவும் பிரபஞ்சம் யாவிலும் நீரினைந்தாய். பஞ்சபூத படிவாகமாவேவும் பிரபஞ்சம் யாவிலும் நீரினைந்தாய். பஞ்சபூத படிவாகமாவேவும் பிரபஞ்சம் யாவிலும் நீரிழைந்தாய். பஞ்சபூத படிவாகமாவேவும் பிரபஞ்சம் யாவிலும் நிறைந்தார். செஞ்சடை மீதினில் சந்திரன் சூடிய சஞ்சலம் தீர்க்கும் பொன்னம்பலவாணனே. செஞ்சடை மீதினில் சந்திரன் சூடிய சஞ்சலம் தீர்க்கும் பொன்னம்பலவாணனே. செஞ்சடை மீதினில்
Thank you.
Next item we perform is a beautiful composition by the awe-inspiring Tamil freedom fighter and poet Mahakavi Subramanya Bharadiyar, titled Thaga Thaga. This poem is on one of the poet's most favorite themes, namely the divine force of the feminine. The poet, a very ardent bhakta of goddess Shakti, describes here the various forms taken by the goddess. Shakti is Kali, a powerful portrayal of the goddess. The dance is choreographed in an aggressive style to suit the words. It is in Raga Shiva Shakti set to Adi Tala. Now presenting Thaga Thaga.
உச்சித்திலகம் உணர்ந்திடும் மாதுளம் போது மலர்கமலை துதிக்கின்ற மென்கடி குங்குமத்தோயம் என்ன விதிக்கின்ற மேனி அபிராமி அபிராமி எந்தன் விழுத்துணையே
Hello, sir.
Trustee Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, our chief guest for the evening, Dr. Nirmala Prasad, our guest of honor, Kalaimamani D.M. Sundaram, and Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati to the stage. On the dais.
Initially, I wanted to welcome all of you in pure Tamil. அப்போ வந்து வீட்டில் எல்லோரும் என்ன கொஞ்சம் பயமுறுத்தி விட்டாங்க. எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன சீன் ஞாபகப்படுத்தி விட்டாங்க. தில்லானா மோனாம்பாள் ஃபேமஸ் ஃபிலிம். அதில் வந்து நடிகர் திலகம் சிவாஜி த கிரேட் ஆக்டர் மனோரமாவோட உட்காந்துருப்பாங்க. மனோரமா வில் ட்ரை ஹர் ஹேண்ட் அட் நாதஸ்வரம். ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம் அவங்க வாசிச்சதுக்கப்புறமா சிவாஜி பாவம் அப்படியே ஒல்லுன்னு சிரிச்சு சொல்லுவாங்க, ஐயோ ஜில்லு நிறுத்திடுமா, இல்லைன்னா எனக்கே நாதஸ்வரம் மறந்துடும்னு. அந்த மாதிரி நான் எங்கேயாவது தமிழில் வெல்கம் அட்ரஸ் சொல்ல போய் எல்லாருக்கும் தமிழ் மறந்து போச்சுன்னா கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஐ வில் ஸ்டிக் டு a language which I am comfortable with. First, a warm welcome to Dr. K. Nirmala Prasad, Kalaimamani Sri D.M. Sundaram, and Padma Vibhushan Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. Thanks, sir and madam, for your gracious presence today, for having taken time out to grace the occasion and bless the child. Next is a very warm and heartfelt thanks to all of you who have taken time out of your busy schedules to come here, grace the occasion, share this event and this momentous day of Shivangi's dance progression. Lastly, I would like to make a very interesting point. In today's context of fast-paced life where our life is dominated by mobiles and flights and emails, it's only events and occasions like this where we actually end up being in touch, at least face to face, and not through Facebook alone, with our friends, relatives and well-wishers. So I hope that this occasion has also been interesting and fulfilling in that context where all of you would have met old friends, relatives, well-wishers. Lastly, I take your leave and request you to continue enjoying the program and bless Shivangi that she continues to learn well under her teacher and bring more laurels to her teacher. Thank you.
Now I request my father to honor Vipanchi's founder trustee, Padma Vibhushan awardee, the legendary Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. Request my mother to honor our guest of honor, Kalaimamani B.M. Sundaram. our chief guest for the evening, Dr. Nirmala Prasad. Our chief guest, Dr. Nirmala Prasad, onto the stage. A few words about her. An MCom, MPhil, and a PhD in commerce, Dr. Nirmala Prasad is the principal and CEO of Chennai's most happening college for women students, MOP Vaishnav College. Ma'am is among Chennai's most dynamic and enterprising academicians. After a 21-year stint at Ethiraj College, Ma'am joined MOP Vaishnav College in 1997. Ever since, this institution has been at the forefront of all skill development activities designed to bring out the best talents among the students. Known for her inspiring and innovative practices, Dr. Nirmala Prasad ma'am has won several awards for raising the bar of excellence in the city of Chennai. It's also a very special moment to have her here with us today, as she's been a support for our family right from the days of Shivangi's first birthday. Presenting our chief guest, Dr. Nirmala Prasad.
On the dais and the most enthusiastic audience and the heroine of today, Shivangi Rajesh. I think the Mrs. and Mr. Rajesh they've taken a very, very wrong step of calling a teacher for a function of this kind, where you have to see the performance of Shivangi. But anyway, I will assure you that with people like all the gurus who are present here, great gurus, I will not take more than 2 minutes of your time and behave like a typical teacher. Of course, I was wondering why I was called to be the chief guest for today's function. I have think, in addition to knowing Shivangi right from her first birthday, I also have 2 more qualifications. One, dancing to the tunes of 3,000 girl students of Chennai. 2, I've had the privilege of having at least 300 to 400 students of mine performing in different sabhas of Chennai and nationwide and also internationally. Maybe these are the 2 qualifications. Other than this, I don't know ABCD of dancing. Maybe that is one of the qualifications why I've been called as the chief guest for many of the functions for dance recital. Jokes apart, let me congratulate Shivangi for the excellent performance. And I'm sure all of you will agree with me that for a 13-year-old child to perform like this is something which I have never, something which is yet to be believed. Shivangi, hats off to you. You really made all of us raise our eyebrows, and I'm sure you have a very, very bright future. I was wondering how a child could perform without any fear. I was watching like a typical teacher. Normally all the teachers, when they see the children perform on the stage, and the children normally become very, very tensed, and they will look at the teacher this way, that way. And I was just looking at her whether she will look at her Guru Priya or this side or that side. But I was wondering how she could perform without any tension. Maybe her date with the stage, the last, maybe from the age of 3, last 9 years, and the passion with which she has pursued dance maybe made her the best performer today. And I would like to congratulate Mrs. Soundarya and Mr. Rajesh for encouraging the child's extracurricular activities, unlike other parents. And again here there are parents who wish that the child should become a great dancer or a great musician, but still how many children are able to fulfill their desire? I'm sure Shivangi has been such a wonderful child that she was able to perform the dream for parents, and they are lucky to have such a wonderful daughter. And music or dance is gift of God. I know as an education it's easy to get marks 100 out of 100 in any subject, but it's difficult to sing and difficult to dance to the satisfaction of the audience. We have many Subudus, millions of Subudus among the audience and among outside the auditorium also. I also would like to congratulate Shivangi's guru Priya for her excellent tutoring, and Akshay, Shivangi's brother, draws a very special word of appreciation. I'm sure many of the Akshay's friends, Vivekananda College students will be present here. And Akshay, let me tell you, this is one of very beautiful commentary I've ever heard in the last 10 years, though I would have at least been a chief guest at least for 30 or 40 occasions. And most importantly, thank you for educating me in the glossary of Bharatanatyam. I never knew the exact meaning of Jatiswaram, Varna till I heard you today. And once again, let me wish Shivangi a bright future. Before I leave this dais, let me, just a word of, I don't know whether you call it as an advice or not, as an educationist, I would like to just make one appeal to all the parents who are here, who have maybe Shivangi's friends who are in 9th and 10th or 11th and 12th. As I've already told you, the music or dance is the God's gift. So do not stop your children's dance or a music tutoring when they are in 11th and 12th, just for the sake of getting 100 out of 100 or 90 out of 100. See, this, please allow them to continue their passion, dance and music, you do not know, and this dance or music is going to give them a very bright career. And don't worry, if you're having a girl child, MOP's doors are always open. We give 50% weightage to the extracurricular activities like dance and music. Every student who walks into my room with a proven performance of dance or music will be given preference over a girl who has been just a bookworm and who has been getting only the second rank and third rank or first rank in the school. So you can be rest assured there is one college which will encourage dance and music, and see that your child passion for dance or music will not stop because of the board exams. With this, let me thank Mrs. and Mr. Rajesh for having given me an opportunity to a novice of my kind to be a chief guest for this function. Thank you.
He has authored several books on music which became very popular and has put him in the limelight. A linguist, Sri Sundaram knows Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Malayalam, Gujarati and Urdu. He has worked as music producer and composer at the All India Radio Pondicherry and is a visiting professor of music at a university in Wesleyan, Connecticut and Norton College in Massachusetts. He considers the Kala Bharati Award presented to him at the Tansen Festival held in Gwalior in 1995 for his biography of Tansen as a very important award. A member of the Chidambaram Natyanjali Committee, Sri Sundaram is also a freelancer and has been regularly writing for The Hindu. Sir, we request you to kindly take the dais and share your thoughts with us.
ஆடினார் என்று அவர் சொல்வது எவ்வளவு உண்மையோ அவ்வளவு உண்மை. அவரை ஆட்டுவித்தார் யார்தான் ஆடாதார் உலகத்தில். அவரை ஆட்டுவித்த அந்த குரு கலைமாமணி திருமதி பிரியா ஜெயராமன் அவர்களுக்கு என்னுடைய பாராட்டுகளை நான் தெரிவிக்கின்றேன். ஒரு நல்ல குரு நல்ல முறையிலே சொல்லி வைக்காவிட்டால் அந்த சீடனோ அல்லது சிஷையோ எவ்வளவுதான் சிறப்பாக அவர் ஆட முயன்றாலும் அது முழுமை பெறாது என்பது உண்மை. அதை இங்கே நிதர்சனப்படுத்தியிருக்கிறார் கலைமாமணி திருமதி பிரியா ஜெயராமன் அவர்கள். மிக நன்றாக அவர் சொல்லி வைத்திருக்கின்றார். நன்றாக நட்டுவாங்கம் செய்தார். நாம் எல்லாம் கண்டோம், கழித்தோம். அவருக்கும் என்னுடைய பாராட்டுக்கள். ஒரு நடன நிகழ்ச்சி என்பது ஒரு ஆடல் கலைஞரோடு போவது அல்ல. அவர் எவ்வளவு அழகாக இருந்தாலும் அல்லது திறமை பெற்றவராக இருந்தாலும் அவருக்கு துணையாக இருக்கின்ற இந்த பாட்டு, மிருதங்கம் இவையெல்லாம் நன்றாக இல்லாமல் போனால் அந்த நடனம் சோபிக்காது. அந்த வகையிலே திருவாளர் ஹரிபிரசாத் அவர்கள், திரு விஜயராகவன் அவர்கள், திரு சசிதரன் அவர்கள், வயலின் சிகாமணி திரு சிகாமணி அவர்கள், இவர்கள் எல்லோரும் அற்புதமாக இந்த இசையை வழங்கினார்கள். நாம் காதுகளுக்கும் அது நல்ல சுவையை அளித்தது. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு நல்ல அரங்கேற்றத்தை இன்று நாம் கண்டு கழிக்கின்ற ஒரு நல்ல வாய்ப்பினை எனக்கு தந்த விபஞ்சி நாட்டியாலயத்தின் இயக்குனர் அவர்களுக்கும் இந்த சிவாங்கி ராஜேஷ் அவருடைய பெற்றோருக்கும் என்னுடைய நெஞ்சார்ந்த நன்றி. வணக்கம்.
May I now request Vipanchi's founder trustee and the role model and mentor for many musicians in India, the legendary Padma Vibhushan awardee Dr. Balamurali Krishna, to bless the artist.
Literally seen on the dais in auditorium in expressing my joy for the successful Bharatanatyam Arangetram of Kumar Shilangi. Shilangi is very lucky to have supporting parents, an excellent guru and a grand guru, and my disciple P.M. Sundaram, Dr. Sundaram already said what I wanted to say. And he's lucky to have the blessings from Dr. Nirmalati. It's not surprised that Shilangi is a product of our Vipanchi. And lucky to have a guru, Kalaimamani P.R. Raman, and her grand guru, Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati. And I bless Shilangi for a bright future and a successful career as a dancer. Thank you.
Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. Applause, please. Shivangi Rajesh will now honor the orchestra and our gurus. Vijaya Raghavan, on the violin Sri Sigamani, Nominee Sri Sasidharan, arrangements at the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Sri Murugan. Honor. I like to ask. As I mentioned earlier, the key architect for this Arangetram, Shivangi's guide, guru and mentor, Kalaimamani Priya Jayaraman, who was conducting the Natuvangam apart from doing many other things. I now call upon my mother, Srimati Saundarya Rajesh, to propose the vote of thanks.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, the vote of thanks is a great opportunity to offer our gratitude to all those who made this event a truly memorable one. First and foremost, I'd like to thank our chief guests for the evening, Dr. Nirmala Prasad and Kalaimamani P.M. Sundaram, for their gracious presence in today's program. Thanks also, of course, to Vipanchi's founder trustee and the Padma Vibhushan awardee, Sri Balamurali Krishna, for his presence and blessings. My heartfelt thanks are also due to Shivangi's guru, Kalaimamani Priya Jayaraman, whose unique relationship with each of her students is the main reason behind their great performance on stage. I also wish to thank Vipanchi's Managing Trustee, Kalaimamani Dr. Saraswati, who has managed this entire program with a fantastic eye for detail. I would like to record our gratitude for the entire orchestra for their inspiring contribution to the success of today. Thanks to the light technicians and staff from Bharati Vidya Bhavan, as also the very efficient staff from Vipanchi for all the help backstage. My heartfelt thanks to all our friends, my dear colleagues from Avatar, and all our extended family members, especially my sister's family from Delhi, who gave up a Friday evening and of course lots of leave to be here with us and cheer Shivangi on her first professional performance. My thanks to Shivangi's classmates, teachers and friends from the Vipanchi Dance School as well. My thanks are also due to my parents and my grandparents and my mother-in-law, who braving illness, long distance and of course the Chennai heat have been here with us as a rock of support. It is usually customary to thank people who are with us, but I would like to make an exception and also recall the fond memories of my late father-in-law, Sri M.P. Venkatram, who loved the art form of Bharatanatyam and who today would have been really proud to have seen his granddaughter perform on stage. And I'm sure his blessings has made this day a reality. The poet Abhirama Bhattar of Thirukadayur has sung in the Abhirami Andadi, Nindrum irundum kidandum nadandum ninaipadunnai, Endrum madanguvadu un malarthal, Eludamarayin, Ondrum arum porule, arule, umaye, imayattu andrum pirandavale, Aliyamutti anandame. The meaning of this poem is that he considers every action by us, Nindrum irundum kidandum nadandum, every action by us as devotion to the goddess. So in that sense, I feel that this Arangetram of Shivangi is first and foremost an act of devotion, of bhakti. And for this, our wholehearted thanks as a family to the divine goddess Abhirami of Thirukadayur, who has been our shield and protector, our divine anchor and mentor. Thank you one and all.
Scintillating footwork and limb movements. The music is highlighted with majestic sculptural poses and the tempo builds up to a brilliant climax. The meaning of the charanam is as follows. I shall dance fittingly for the intoxicating music emanating from your flute, O Khanna. Please come. The Tillana is in Raga Dvijavanti in Aditala. The Tillana.
Dhirana, dhirana, tarundana, dhirana, dhirana, tarundana, dhirana, dhirana, tarundana, dhirana, tarundana, dhirana,
also composed by Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna. The song Krishna in Manasa is in Raga Kedar set to Mr. Chaputalam. The composer sings, "O mind, when you think of Krishna, you reap all happiness. Recite his name when you are in harmony or agitated, while being mischievous or in solitude, while learning or teaching an art, when settled peacefully or disturbed sleeplessly. Recite the name of the remover of distress, lying on the serpent couch, head adorned with peacock plume and having Murali in the hand, presenting Krishna in Manasa."
Krishna yano ma Shikhi